In a world where websites suck harder than a vacuum in space, one team dares to fight back. This summer, say goodbye to design fails that belong in a dumpster fire. Congratulations, your pop-ups are so aggressive, they make telemarketers blush. 72% of users will yeet off your site faster than Thor's hammer. The fix? Nuke anything that doesn't scream VIP discount. Using more fonts than a MySpace profile? Your site looks like a typography war zone. Pro tip, 2 fonts max, 1 for headers, 1 for text. And for the love of Bezos, no curly script fonts. Your colour palette's so loud, it could wake up Elvis. Newsflash, neon green plus hot pink isn't bold, it's a war crime. Steal colour combos from nature, like sunsets, or literally anything that doesn't burn retinas. If your mobile menu's smaller than a Kardashian's attention span, you're toast. 60% of users will ghost you faster than a Tinder date. Hamburger menus are your friend. Buttons bigger than Dwayne Johnson's biceps. Your SEO's deader than disco. Google doesn't know you exist. But fear not, CatchyDesign's SEO bazooka blasts you to page 1. Blog Weekly. Target keywords like web design for chaotic raccoons. Profit. Your website shouldn't be a disaster movie. Let CatchyDesign handle the explosions. We do web design, SEO, hosting, and branding, so you can focus on important stuff like finally watching Barbie.